I feel like for me, for lighting and just general theatrical design, the feeling of what you plan up here and then being able to see it on stage, that satisfaction is just absolutely unmatched. Especially when you really are able to create something super artistic that really just is going to push the emotions of the audience, but also be able to tell a story at the same time. I first heard about Interlochen Center for the Arts through some past SVSU students who had done internships here, as well as Kevin Cole. Kevin would teach and perform out here at Interlochen. What I technically do is I work for the department known as Interlochen Presents. So any of the roadshow tours, anything, big performances for camp. Some days I'm just replacing light bulbs for the big instruments to make sure that a concert wash is working properly for the orchestras. But then other days I'm helping load in moving lights, full audio, and all this stuff for big road shows like the Brothers Osborne and Bonnie Raitt. Internships is a great way to really trial run something as a career. Now this is my time to start trying out lighting, and I'm enjoying it a whole lot more than I was enjoying audio internships. So you're really able to feel out what it's like when your life is just that one discipline.